this video I have come up with the draft pattern of the cardigan. So let's get started. Here I will be showing two lengths to prepare the cardigan. One is the measurements for the hip length and another is the measurements for the ankle length. Take note that the measurements can be customized as per our requirement. The measurements will differ from person to person. So if you are marking for the hip length, you can mark till the length 30 inches and the width you can take up to 2 meters. This is the fabric length and width for the ankle and hip length. And if you want to mark for the ankle length, you can mark length up to 40 inches and the width 2.25 meters to 2.5 meters. These fabric measurements are for the adults. So the length wise here 30 inches and the width 2 meters. Whereas in ankle length, the length is 40 inches and the width is 2.5 meters. This is the dimensions of the fabric. Now I'll show you how to mark this. I'll be showing now the hip length cardigan and using this paper scale to mark and make the pattern. So 2 meters means it's 78 inches. Each meter having 39 inches. So we are taking 2 meters, so 78 inches of fabric width we have to take. And I'm using this paper body sloper. This drafting also I've shown in my earlier videos. If you are watching for the first time, I request you to watch that earlier video to know how to draft the body sloper. For this I would be taking the quarter part of the body measurements and I would be taking the highest part of the body measurements, that is hip length, and my total hip circumference is 40 inches. So I said I would be taking quarter part, that is 10 inches. Add the seaming allowance and the ease, so I would be taking 14 inches. And I would be using this paper to make the pattern, which is of 78 inches. Fold the paper into 2 and on this fold mark 14 inches and separate front and back panels. The front 2 panels and the back 2 panels, total 4 panels. Now cut on this marked line. Now place this body sloper on this fold of the back pattern and mark your measurements with the seaming allowances. That means quarter inch towards the shoulder line and armhole, and towards the sides 1 inch or 1.5 inch, and towards the neckline 1 centimeter. Now cut on these marked lines. With this I am ready with the back panel. Now I will show you how to mark and cut the front panels. These two are the separated front panels, supposing this as 1 meter each. So this is having 4 sides open ends, and towards the one side we'll place this back body sloper and mark the measurements of shoulder line, armhole and the sides. And here the armhole, as we are marking for the front panels, should cut a little inside, leaving the neckline. Remember that for this cardigan, we will not prepare any neckline, as the front side will have the following fabrics. Now cut on these marked shapes, and remaining 3 sides you have to conceal the raw edges by double folding towards the wrong side, and also you can join the lace towards the 3 corners. Here I am showing this on the paper, so consider the red line as the hemmed line towards the 3 sides, leaving the shoulder line, or else towards this 3 sides hemmed line you can also join the lace, which will give the designer look. Now I'll show you how to join this. Align both front and back shoulders together and start sticking with the glue the shoulder line and the sides, leaving the armhole. Supposing that if you are creating this on the fabrics, you should sew near the shoulder line and towards the sides, leaving the armhole, and see the front side. Near the neckline, the fabric will fall like this in 3 to 4 folds. Follow the same instructions. Stick the shoulder line and the sides towards the another side. Here I am sticking with the glue. In this place, you have to join the front and back panels, aligning the sides and the shoulder line towards the wrong side, leaving the seaming allowances. The same designer pattern I have shown in my earlier video, that is for the ankle length. And now I am ready with this draft pattern on the paper. See the front side. The front panel of the folds in the center front will fall like this in 3 to 4 folds. This is for the hip length cardigan I have shown on this draft paper. See, if you open the front panels, it will look like this, and for the armholes you have to conceal the raw edges. It's just very simple, joining the sides and the shoulder line, leaving the neckline, and if you turn towards the back side, it will look like this. You can try this cardigan on the Western, Indian, like salwar kameez, long skirts, and kurtis. This waterfall cardigan will enhance your beauty. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please try it. And if you are having any doubts or concern or any suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Please try this for your loved ones. They would love to wear it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys with another interesting video. Bye for now.